Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. So today I have a Walgreens haul for you guys. These deals started today, which is October 24th, and they are good up until Saturday, October 30th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these deals. Okay, you guys, so in this transaction, I had a digital booster get $5 in Walgreens cash when you spend $20. Everything went well in this transaction, except I forgot to use 2 of my coupons. I had the coupons in my purse, but I completely forgot to use them. I don't know what I was thinking, but it's okay. So the first thing that we're going to get started with is going to be the Airheads. So I grabbed this Airheads filled ropes candy, and this is priced this week at Walgreens for 99 cents. And the deal is when you buy one, you will receive a 99-cent registry reward. So you will pay 99 cents and you will receive that 99-cent registry reward, which I did receive right here. So that makes that candy completely free. And then next up, I grabbed the Snuggle Exhilarations fabric softener. And this is priced this week at Walgreens for $2.99. We do have a $1.50 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So you'll pay $2.99 minus that $1.50 digital coupon, and that's going to bring your total down to just $1.49, which is a really good price for this. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of the Colgate Total Clean Mint toothpaste, and these are priced at Walgreens this week for $3.99. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive $4 in Walgreens cash rewards. So you're going to purchase 2 at $3.99, and that's going to bring your total to $7.98. We do have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $7.98 minus that $4 digital coupon, that will bring your total down to just $3.98. And then you will get back that $4 in Walgreens cash, making both of the toothpaste completely free, plus a 2-cent moneymaker. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed 3 of the Pantene. So this is the Pantene Texturizing Hairspray. And then I grabbed 2 bottles of the Pantene Mousse. So these are priced at Walgreens this week for 3 for $15. The deal is when you spend $10, you will receive a $5 registry reward. So you're going to want to pick up 3, and that's going to bring your total to $15. We do have a $5 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $15 minus that $5 digital coupon, that will bring your total down to just $10. And then you will get back that $5 registry reward because you spent $10, which is right here. And it says compliments of P&G and Unilever. So with receiving that $5 registry reward, it brought the total down to just $5 for all 3 products, or it makes each product just $1.67. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed 3 of the Irish Spring body wash, and these are priced at Walgreens this week at 3 for $10. So you're going to purchase 3, and that's going to bring your total to $10. We do have a $1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. And then you can also go to the Soft Soap website and print off 2 of the 75-cent off of 1 Irish Spring body wash. Now, I printed off 2 of these guys, and I was supposed to use both of these today in my transaction, but I completely forgot to use the coupons. They were in my wallet and everything. I don't know what I was thinking at the moment, but I completely forgot to use these. But when you use these, you will pay just 83 cents per bottle. But since I forgot to use these 2 75-cent coupons, I paid $1.33 each. So they are priced at $10. My $1 digital coupon came off, so that brought my total down to $9. And then when you spend $10, you will get back $5 in Walgreens cash rewards. I'm sorry, a $5 registry reward. I did receive back that $5 registry reward, which is right here. With receiving back that $5 registry reward, it brought my total down to just $4 for all 4 bottles, or it makes each one just $1.33. But again, if you go to the Irish Spring website and print off 2 of these, you will pay 83 cents per bottle and not $1.33. And then lastly, I went ahead and I grabbed this package of Scott paper towels, and it is regularly priced at Walgreens for $5. We do have that 125 IVC coupon. You can either use it in a Walgreens coupon savings book, or you can clip the digital to your account. I clipped it to my account. So $5 minus that 125 IVC, that will bring your total down to $3.75. Then on SHOPKICKS, we have 15 scan kicks and 450 buy kicks. So that's a total of, I think, 465 kicks. And when you times that by 0.004, that's a total of $1.86. So $3.75 minus the $1.86 that I got back from SHOPKICKS, that brought the total down to just $1.89 for this package of Scott paper towels, which is a fantastic price. So this is everything that I got in this transaction, you guys. So let me go ahead and show you all my receipt. So as you can see, the Airhead filled rope sprung up at 99 cents, my Snuggle fabric softener at $2.99, all three of my Irish Spring body wash at 3 for $10, both Colgate at $3.99, so $7.98, all three of my Pantene at 3 for $15, and then my Scott at $5, my 125 IVC coupon came off. So my $5 digital came off of the Pantene, $4 digital for the Colgate, $1.50 digital for the Snuggle, $1 digital for the Irish Spring. So it brought my subtotal to $29.21. I did use $20 in Walgreens cash, and I paid the $9.21 out of pocket. When you look down here, where it says earned this visit, I earned back $9.64. Now of that $9.64, I got back the $5 for spending $20, and that is from my digital booster. And then I got the $4 in Walgreens cash for the Colgate, and then the extra points came from, you know, the extra Walgreens points. So that's a total of $9.64 that I got back in Walgreens cash, along with my 99-cent registry reward for the Airheads, $5 registry reward for the Pantene, $5 registry reward for the Irish Spring. And then this also printed out for me, earn $8 in Walgreens cash when you spend $35. Also, you guys, don't forget to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. I submitted my receipt, and I got about 50 points back for these Scott paper towels. So if you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points, which is $2. So go ahead and scan your receipts to Fetch Rewards. And also, if you are not using IBOTTA, I also have a link in the description box for IBOTTA as well. When you sign up using my code, you will receive $10 when you redeem your first rebate through IBOTTA. So that is everything for this transaction, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section what you guys are getting this week at Walgreens. I think I'm going to make one more trip to Walgreens, and I think that's going to be it for me because there aren't that many items that I'm after. If anything, I'm going to stock back up on some more of the Colgate because it's free, and I would like to get that registry rewards to use towards something else. But other than that, that is it for this video, you guys. I will see you all in my next one.